This is a 6-thread, 6-row repeat pattern using 2 colours. To begin, you want to arrange your threads in colour order. I've got background, contrast, background, and then a mirror at the other side. For row 1, you want to do a forward backward knot, forward knot, and a backward forward knot. For your second row and every subsequent or even numbered row, you want to ignore the first and last threads, and you want to do a forward knot, and a backward knot. For row 3, you want to do all forward knots. For row 4, you want to do a backward knot, and a forward knot. For row 5, you want to do a forward backward knot, a forward knot, and a backward forward knot. For row 6, you want to do a backward forward knot, and a forward backward knot. And once you've done those 6 rows, you want to go back to row 1 and keep repeating those 6 rows all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've finished with braided tie-on ends at each end, but you could do whichever fastening you prefer. And that is your completed Mini X friendship bracelet.